Okay, last thing is your sinker. This is your thesis statement. This is probably the most important single sentence. It sometimes can be in 2 sentences of your whole essay, okay? It's the last sentence in your introduction, and it is your claim, otherwise known as your thesis statement. Your claim is the answer to the question being posed, whether or not, in this case, whether or not movies and video games, violent movie and video games increases violence in our culture. So your claim should leave your reader no doubt of your position. And in an argumentative essay, it should most definitely have 2 parts. This is going to set up your 2 main body paragraphs. And your third body paragraph is going to be the counter argument, but we'll get to that later. So you just want to focus on setting up your body paragraphs. In my example, it said violence in movies and video games increases violence in our culture because children mimic what they see in movies and thus become desensitized to violence. And so my 2 main arguments is that yes, it does, and here's why. And my body paragraphs would be about children mimicking what they see in the video, in movies, like here, like, you know what I have right here. And then my second body paragraph would be about how it desensitizes children to violence, okay? So I want you to go ahead and try it. Try to write your thesis statement. Next week, we are going to have individual conferences, you and I, on the screen together. And I want this finished so that I can look down through here and help you and create a graphic organizer with you that will make it easy peasy for you to complete your essay by the last day of the quarter, which is next Friday. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.